Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today's plan with me is in my Hobonichi Cousin. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Hummingbirds collection. This is the 2-page sticker kit. I also have all of the add-ons off to the side, but I'm going to be doing a plan with me next week using all of those. I do have my monthly setup already done. I did do a video on that. If you guys want to see that, I will leave that linked down below. All right, so as you can see, I have a couple sticky notes here. I'm going to move them off to the side, but I am going to use them to write everything in. I like to keep a large one for all the tasks that I need to get done, and then little ones that I transfer over throughout the week. It's always really helpful to have these sticky notes, and if you're like me, I don't like to put anything down permanently until I put all of my stickers down. So I'm going to go ahead and put down all of the stickers for this kit first before I actually start writing everything in. So I'm just putting down the washi strip down at the bottom. And then I'm also going to put down this larger sticker over the black box in the left-hand corner. Now, this comes with the 2-page sticker kit. I don't have these available in the shop a la carte, although I am thinking about doing a full sheet of them. Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in them, because I think it would be really helpful, especially if you don't use a weekly kit every week and you use like the add-on stickers like I do to finish out the week. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. So I'm just finishing off putting all of the date covers down at the top, and then I am going to be putting down all of the full boxes up top. Now obviously you can move these boxes anywhere you like throughout the planner. Even when we have the 2-box stickers, we design it so that you can split them up, especially if you want to use them throughout the month. They're perfect to do that. I just like to have them all together because it is the first thing that Brian and I design when we think of the collection that we're going to do. So I like to have the whole schematic drawn out of what we want to do for the month. And this month, oh my gosh, I am so in love with this hummingbird collection. The hummingbird on Monday is so gorgeous, don't you think? You should see the little drawing that I doodled for Brian, and then what he came up with. Just so beautiful. He is so talented, guys. All right, so I just finished setting up my sidebar, and I decided I wanted to use a March sticker. I had a couple different choices, so I'm just grabbing all 3 of them to see which one I prefer. Now, sometimes I use the smaller month stickers, especially when it is a split month, so I would put February and March, but this week only had 1 day for February, so I decided to use the larger March sticker, and it was so perfect with the green background and then the layered March, so I thought it was perfect for this week. Alright, so I just finished putting down the base of the sticker kit. Now I am planning out my week. So on Saturday we are going to be closing the subscriptions. If you guys are not signed up for our subscriptions, you'll definitely want to do that. That is going to be themed for May. Our April collection is already in the shop if you guys wanted to check that out. It is so gorgeous. I'm also going to grab some stickers for Saturday's plan with me. So I like to film, edit, and upload my video on Saturday so that it is ready to go and launch on Sunday. So I just grabbed some of my older film edit and upload stickers. These aren't in the shop right now. I am revamping them to include our new color selections of colorful, black, and neutral. We're starting to give you choices on a lot of those stickers, so they will be coming back to the shop shortly. I also grabbed this adorable thumbnail sticker. That is from Obsessed with Cute. I don't think that they're around anymore. I did try to find them and couldn't find their shop, but if I do, I will leave that down below as well, along with any other shop stickers that I use. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know down below. I'm also grabbing some of the icon stickers and my road sticker. I am so in love with these roads. I use them almost every week, and there's so many different sizes. The large one I like to use when we're going on a longer road trip, like to the Cape or to Maine, but I really wanted to use the large one this week, even though we're not going on a longer road trip. I thought I would use it to take Brian to work on Tuesday. So I'm also putting down some balloon stickers on Monday. It is my mom's angel birthday. She has been in heaven for a few years, so I wanted to mark that and celebrate her life. And I'm also putting down a little watering can on Thursday. Brian got me an orchid for my birthday, and I have been trying so hard to keep it alive, but guys, the flowers just keep falling off. It makes me so sad. If you guys have any tips on how to keep an orchid alive, definitely let me know down below. I'd love to hear. So I'm just finishing off the sidebar, and I think that that is it. So I do leave a ton of space for when the day comes to write in everything that happens throughout the day. So I thought I would give you a little peek at how a typical week looks. So it definitely gets filled up. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!